Hey guys, in this video, I'll share with you a great DramaBox hack that unlocks unlimited coins. As you can see on my account, I've already used this method, and now I have unlimited coins available. If you'd like to achieve the same, stick around until the end. I'll walk you through every step so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. First, iOS users need to adjust a few settings. If you're using an Android device, you can skip ahead to the main method. If you're on iOS, go to your device's settings, open battery, and turn off low power mode. This step is important as it ensures the app functions smoothly. Next, return to settings. Tap on General, then select Background App Refresh. Make sure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps the app refresh its content in the background for a better overall experience. Once you've completed these adjustments, we can move on. Now for the final step. Open your browser and go to appbinge.com, a trusted site with modified apps. Search for DramaBox. Tap on it, and you'll see details like download counts and community ratings. Click the Download Now button, and the system will start downloading and installing the necessary files automatically. The process is quick, and once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation message. If it doesn't appear immediately, and you're using the website for the first time, some extra files may be needed. Don't worry, it's a simple verification step. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's completed, the mod will be fully installed and you will be good to go. I've tested this method myself, and it works flawlessly. And that's it. This is the complete process of getting unlimited coins in DramaBox. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful and everything worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hacks and tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and see you soon.